Akala ko gagawin ko yung vlog na to ng tuwid na yung buhok ko. So, salamat naman at nakaabot-abot ng medyo kulot pa siya, dahil pag-uusapan na natin ngayon ang aking perm journey. So, basically, 2 months in the making ito. Today, ito talaga exactly 2 months ng aking perm. So, this is exciting because I will be sharing with you the whole experience, mapa procedure, ano ba yung mga dapat ninyong paghandaan, ano ba yung mga dapat ninyong gawin after perming, at saka magkano ba ang ganitong klaseng hair treatment. So, everything pag-uusapan natin ngayon. But before that, dadalhin ko muna kayo doon sa mismong araw ng perming.
We're here! Daddy's here! Oh my God! I ran! My life-changing perm. I didn't shampoo, by the way.
Oh, it's okay.
First up, shampoo muna tayo. Wala pa pala. Excited na ako sumandal. Okay, Jenny, I have a surprise for you. Ready?
Wow.
Kon Yung Masu Cool. Oh, so nice. How do you do this? Like, I thought napkin. Just yeah, Jenny, I went back on Instagram and I think the very first haircut you did to me was 2017. We're 3 years strong now. We're doing layers, right?
Yes.
Because if it's too straight, what will happen to the perm?
Like looks like too heavy and like very hard to maintain. Also no volume. So,
Yeah.
It's better little bit layered this much.
Yes. So this is the preparation na ba? This
Yes,
ano?
ma'am.
Ooh, so this is like the oh my god. This will actually be a semi-surprise because I can't see from my face shield. Jenny, I've read that there are like kinds of perms. What is like a digital perm?
Digital perm is mostly we using the like little bit short length. And then
Why is it called digital?
digital like using heat or something. So that's why digital perm like that. They go in and then setting perm also actually heat.
This is what you call setting
perm.
Setting
This
perm.
one also actually heat perm also, but mostly like long hair, like using the for long hair.
Like this one's faster than the traditional. Oh my god, this is it. Ajuma realness. Kulot is real. Oh, you know in Tagalog, Jenny, you know kulot? Kulot. Yes, curly. Okay, so mag-neutralizer na tayo. So, right now, ewan ko nakita niyo, but ayan o, ayan. Ganyan siya kulot. It smells good.
It smells good.
Yeah. It smells soft.
Yan naman po yung mag-i-repress sa outer layer naman ng hair. Para yung texture ng hair niya, maging silky siya.
So curly but still soft and silky.
Yes, ma'am.
15 minutes heat.
15. Yep. So we'll leave this on for 15 minutes.
Bago kayo mag-blow dry, mas better maggamit kayo ng serum. For heat protection siya.
So ito, meron din dito.
Ma'am, yung sasagot sa inyo na yun.
Okay.
I'm making the volume here very, especially look part. Like I make the small using the small rocks, and then I make the volume.
It's so nice.
So any part you can make the some volume.
Oh yes, that's amazing. Oh my god, look at my hair.
It's okay.
Yeah, it looks so beautiful.
You want some big curl or something, you can just twist out like that. But if you want a small curl or something, just let the part dry and then putting the curl cream also okay.
Is this the curl cream?
Yes.
Smells so good. Yeah.
I want to length is apart the length is a little bit more longer is I want but
it's actually good. Yay, thank you so much.
Yeah, nice, really.
You're so amazing. And you to Ate Dolly. Ate Dolly and Jenny, the tandem. Okay. Oh my god, I'm gonna take good photos and I'm gonna send you. This looks good. It's already done. Hold on. I love it so much. Like this girl is so amazing. So you can follow Jenny. I will place her Instagram account here. Please don't make her too fully booked because I won't, you know, she won't accommodate me anymore if she's too fully booked. No, but seriously, you may contact her there or part 2. This has been my hair salon, my hair care for the past 3 years now. Like since 2017, Jenny handles my hair and I'm always so happy and I trust her so much, and so yeah, I can't wait to show you like the final look with also like my makeup and yeah, but thank you so much. This is so cute. Well, kakagising ko lang talaga, kakabangon ko lang, so medyo magulo pa siya. Sobrang nakakapanibago and the roots talaga. I'm so happy. This is 2 days post-treatment na aking perm and I have to say, nafe-feel ko na at this point yung difference ng maintenance ng kulot versus straight and hindi siya madali. May times na parang ang buhaghag niya, alam mo yun. To those of you na natural ng kulot, you are blessed with such volume, so embrace it because I am embracing it as well kahit hindi siya madali. I am still in this adjustment period na pagtitingnan ko sa salamin, shocks, kulot ko, parang shocks, hindi ako sanay. Pero I'm loving it so far. This is called the hippie perm. However, hindi siya mukhang like hippie perm compared sa totoong hippie perm because sabi ng aking hairstylist, sabi nga ni Jenny, na super straight ng buhok ko. So, yung hippie perm na smaller ang curls compared to let's say Grace perm or yung typical na makikita natin Korean perm na malalaking waves talaga, which hindi pwede sa akin because shorter ang hair ko nung nagpa-perm ako. Gusto ko talaga ng tighter curls. Gusto ko ng parang something new and something challenging, which totoo naman, challenging siya. Basically, kapag sobrang straight ang buhok mo at gusto mo magpa-perm, mas madali siyang mag-loosen at mas madali siyang lumaki, just like what happened to my hair. Based on my experience, ito yung mga pinaka-importante when it comes to perming. Number 1, consultation. Importante talaga na makita muna ng hairstylist yung buhok ninyo or yung condition ng buhok ninyo, yung history ng buhok ninyo bago kayo mag-undergo ng perming because pwedeng hindi tumalab yung perming solution or yung gamot sa buhok ninyo if you've undergone number 1, keratin treatment or Brazilian blowout or rebond. You have to follow the aftercare after the perm. First time shampooing my hair and mas kulot talaga siya pag nababasa. Pagkatapos ko mag-shower, to maintain the curls, ang ginagawa ko is air drying lang. Pero pag gusto ko mapabilis yung process, ginagamitan ko siya ng blow dryer. Pero kailangan malamig lang yung binubugang hangin. Sinuscrunch ko lang siya, tapos number 1 lang. And then ganyan-ganyan lang. Tapos kapag medyo damp na yung buhok ko,
Kasi ngayon, medyo damp na siya. Ginagamitan ko naman ng curling cream. Itong curling cream, ito yung binili ko din doon sa Park June. And then, mga ganyan lang. Tapos, ina-apply ko na siya sa ulo ko. Yung consistency pa niya, para siyang wax pero malambot. First time kong mang-pa-prank and nanay ko pa ang ipa-prank natin ngayon. So, surprisahin natin siya with a brand new phone. The Huawei store is a one-stop shop. Nandun lahat ng products, information, may mga promos, may discounts, merong giveaways, may raffle draws. Bumili talaga tayo ng bagong phone and let's see kung mabilis talaga yung delivery. Good news, na-deliver agad yung phone after 2 days.
I-unbox mo lang yung papakita ko sa'yo.
Ooh!
Ako mag-unbox na next time.
Maganda yung phone. Check. Something that you would use.
Oh, definitely check.
At dahil dyan, sa'yo na yung phone! Yeah! Ang sarang akin mo niya! Yeah! Perm update. Ito na yung aking 11th day na aking perm. Naligo ako today and ayan siya. Tapos ito air dry lang yan. Kung paano siya matuyo ng normal. Ganon. Hindi ako nag-blow dry or anything. Nag-loosen yung curls ever since I took a warm bath. One thing I've learned is talagang as much as possible, cold showers lang talaga. And then, importante to moisturize. As in, moisturize, 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 condition, mag-hair mask, mag-hair treatment, everything that you have to do to keep your hair moisturized, importante because nakaka-dry siya. Pros and cons. Yung cons muna, costly siya. Hindi siya mura definitely. So ako, with the root perm, with the perm itself, plus may ibang treatments kasi ako na pinagawa just so talagang healthy yung hair ko. Cost me around, nakalimutan ko na exactly, pero let's say 22 to 24,000 pesos. And I think yung aftercare talaga, kasi you have to keep it moisturized, so minsan mas marami siyang ritual. But the pros, definitely the volume is what I love and what I've been enjoying. Yung texture also, since hindi na siya like super straight, super dulas. And then yung ganyan, yung pagkagising mo, parang ayos na yung buhok mo. Is this something na i-recommend ko? Or worth it ba siya, in my opinion? If you're looking for volume, for structure, for effortless hair pagkagising, 100% yes. I am obsessed. I mean, I love it. It's quite just difficult to maintain, pero I would do it again. And also pala, yung ganitong klaseng perm naman kasi, it will last yung talagang maximum result niya for 3 months until 6 months. However, hindi rin naman na talaga daw babalik sa super straight yung buhok ko. Medyo magiging like wavy na siya. Unless siguro ipaputol ko yung mga napaperm. So, yun yung parang pag gusto mo talagang bumalik sa straight, the option is to cut yung kung ano man yung na-perm na hair if you want like super straight. Pero ako, I'm okay with this hair. I am really happy and sobrang daling ayusin. Yun lang masabi ko. Sobrang daling itali, hindi dumudulas yung ponytail. Ano yung tawag doon? Yung parang sa atin yung ponytail. Dumudulas lang yun sa buhok ko dati. So, parang, pero ngayon, ang nice. Super happy ko and talagang itutuloy-tuloy ko ito. I-maintain ko yung perm. Kung tumumid man siya, ipapa-perm ko siya ulit. Basta humaba lang siya. Well, that's it for our vlog, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today. And sana nag-enjoy kayo. Sana may mga questions na nasagot. At kung may mga nakalimutan man ako, let me know in the comment section below. Just shoot your questions and I will try to answer them as much as I can. Thank you guys so much for joining and I'll see you on the next vlog. Bye!